One of the challenges that we have with asset management systems is associating customer data with the barcode or RFID data that is in the asset management system. TallyFlow Print makes this extremely simple to set up and to get those tags registered in the system. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So we have our TallyFlow Print. It's currently set to scan and print mode. So I also have here a barcode scanner that is in keyboard wedge mode. And let's say that you have 5 widgets that are coming in with the same part number. You can set the quantity to 5. Put the cursor in the part number field, and we have a scan and print situation where those 5 tags are being printed right now. They all have the same part number that's listed on those tags, but they have unique EPCs. And if we go over to TallyFlow here, we will see those 5 registered with unique tag numbers. We're currently using the SDG RAIN CIN, so that it has global uniqueness, and we've got that part number, and those are all printed and registered in TallyFlow and ready to go. Now let's say that you want to have a pallet or parent container that's associated with those tags. We just go over here to the parent container, select the initial category and the initial zone, generate a new ID, and we print that. And let's go into settings and scroll down here to container linking. Now let's say that we've got 3 items that are going to go in this container. We'll scan a part number. So we've got our parent tag, we've got our children tags, child tags. Go over here, we see who the parent is, there it is. We can come over here and see who the children are, and we see the 3 tags. So TallyFlow Print makes it very straightforward to be able to associate part numbers with RFID tags that are unique and serialized for being able to manage your assets. For more information, you can see us online at tallyflow.com or contact us by email at info@sdgsystems.com.